Welcome to Tour the World. In this series, we'll explore different cities in Finland with our beloved drone camera. Our last 4 videos featured Savonlinna, Suomenlinna Island, Helsinki, and Kuopio. Savonlinna and Suomenlinna are known for their historic fortresses, and Helsinki is Finland's capital. We produced short documentaries on these places with real drone footage captured recently. If you haven't watched those, please check out our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore Joensuu, Finland. We'll fly our drone over various places near the center of Joensuu and share nice information about the city. Our goal is to help future tourists plan their trips and know what to visit during day trips. Please give us your feedback on improving our documentaries. Let's start the Joensuu trip. Joensuu is the regional capital of North Karelia, located in the eastern interior of Finland in the Finnish Lakeland. The population of Joensuu is approximately 78,000. Founded in 1848 by Russian Emperor Nicholas II, the city is near Lake Saimaa and about 450 kilometers from Helsinki. We started our journey from Joensuu City Hall, a prominent landmark known for its distinctive red brick architecture and historical significance. Designed by renowned architect Eliel Saarinen, the building was completed in 1914 and serves as the central hub for the city's administrative activities. The nearby area is equally charming, featuring beautiful parks such as the Botanical Garden and Vapaudenpuisto Park, offering scenic spots for relaxation and recreation. The proximity to the Pielisjoki River adds to the picturesque setting, making it a popular area for walks and cultural events. The city has well-renovated housing near the center, surrounded by green landscapes, small lakes, and islands. Just behind Joensuu City Hall, you'll find a series of small, picturesque lakes that enhance the city's charm. These lakes are surrounded by lush greenery and well-maintained walking paths, offering a peaceful retreat for both locals and visitors. The serene environment is perfect for picnics and enjoying the natural beauty of the area. The lakes also provide a habitat for various bird species, making it a great spot for birdwatching. This scenic area adds to the overall appeal of Joensuu, blending natural beauty with urban convenience. That concludes our Joensuu journey. We hope you enjoyed the highlights, especially Vapaudenpuisto and the nearby area. June or July is the best time to visit Joensuu, as it is covered with snow from October to April. In our next journeys, we will explore Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, and Riga, the capital of Latvia. Please give us your feedback. It helps us immensely. Take care and see you in the next episode.